Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to reverse a video on Snapchat. So this will only work for videos that you record in Snapchat, and it won't work for any videos that you take from your gallery. So keeping that in mind, first go to Snapchat and then record the video that you want to reverse. So I'll just end on this case, and then once you do that, you're going to want to swipe to the left. And then swipe until you find the reverse filter on Snapchat. So once you swipe far enough, it should appear, and here it is. It has a little reverse icon on the filter, and it makes the video go backwards. So it might actually be faster to swipe to the right from the beginning. Yeah, with no filter, just swipe to the right, and then you'll get to the reverse filter way faster. So once you find the filter, your video will be reversed, and that's how you do it. As I mentioned before, you cannot use a picture from your gallery or a video from your gallery. So yeah, you can only use videos that you record in Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.